and it's the 5th opening ceremony which we are going to announce this evening. And I've been to IFA, I've been to TOIFA, but TIFA it's going to be my first time, and I'm so looking forward to it because it's more about celebrating films. So it's about our films going on the global platform, and it's happening in India right now, but they're planning to go globally, so it's even more better. So I've traveled for IFA, TOIFA, but now it's TIFA, so I'm so looking forward to this entire ceremony. And it's beautiful because you're celebrating films eventually, and it's about Indian films, Indian film industry, not just about Hindi films or not just about Malayalam films. It's about Indian cinema. See, I feel for every actor, awards are very important. As a child, for me, trophies were very important. As a child, medals were very important because I used to participate in all the sports and would come first. अगर मैं थर्ड आती थी या सेकंड आती थी तो मुझे दुख होता था. So बहुत अच्छा लगता था कि as a child I came first in my races. I used to play basketball, I used to play badminton. But as an actor now, like since it is my profession, जब आपके काम को सराहा जाता है और आपको अवार्ड मिलता है तो आपको एक जज्बा मिलता है कि आप और अच्छा करें. शाहरुख खान को देख लीजिए, इट्स अ लिविंग एग्जाम्पल. He is the superstar of the country, but the amount of awards he's got till date, he's still like a child who still is craving for all the awards every year. So yes, awards are really important for all the artists. No, it's not like that. See, I personally feel awards are something when your work gets appreciated by the jury, by the audience, by your fans. You get awards for that. But now when it comes to work, it has nothing to do with awards. It is completely to do with the script, the kind of script they are offering and what kind of character they want. So I think it's totally irrelevant and it is nothing to do with the awards. Among the actresses, I think Meryl Streep and Kareena Kapoor. देखो, मैं बहुत अभी यंग हूँ इन चीज़ों के लिए. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं लायक भी हूँ कि मैं इस चीज़ के ऊपर कमेंट भी करूँ. But as a newcomer, I'm still craving to have lots and lots of awards, and I think I'll be very, very selfish, and I think we all are like that. We all are like that. I just want to wish Happy Independence Day to all of you, and keep living it up, keep enjoying, just keep that freshness on, and just keep smiling. Thank you so much.
The Indian Icon Film Awards का जो 5th edition है, इस बार वो बहुत ही मेहनत कर रहे हैं कि एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग और एंटरटेनिंग अवार्ड फंक्शन होगा और बहुत सारे फिल्म पर्सनालिटीज़ होंगे जो आएंगे एंड मुझे इन्हें अवार्ड किया जाएगा. तो आई एम वेरी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. आई एम नॉट श्योर हु ऑल आर परफॉर्मिंग, बट आई एम एक्साइटेड टू सी ऑल द परफॉर्मेंसेस. दैट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. आई सपोज रणवीर सिंह इज़ द फेवरेट. जी नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखी है एक्चुअली ट्रेलर. मैंने ट्रेलर नहीं देखी अभी तक, सो आई कांट कमेंट ऑन दैट. Thank you.